Welcome to this tutorial on building AI agents with custom actions in Sema4.ai Studio. Today we will build a leave management agent that uses custom actions to interact with Workday. While Studio provides a rich gallery of pre-built actions, custom actions give you the flexibility to connect AI agents to any enterprise app using our comprehensive automation as code framework. In this tutorial, we will show how to import and use custom Workday actions built using the Sema4.ai SDK to retrieve and update leave requests. Let's get started. First, let's import the custom actions. These actions would typically be built and packaged by your technical team using the Sema4.ai SDK, creating secure, reusable integrations with your enterprise systems. As a business user, you can simply import and use them in your studio without needing to write a single line of code. To get started, navigate to the Actions page in Studio. Click on Import Actions button. Select the package.yaml file of your custom action package. Once imported, you should now see Workday Actions package with Retrieve Leave of Absence action listed in the gallery. Now, we're ready to build our agent. Let's create a conversational agent named Leave Management Agent, with a brief description explaining its purpose of managing leave requests using Workday integration. Let's create a runbook that will define how our agent works. Just like any other agent you have built earlier, we'll use natural language to define its behavior. No coding required. Notice how we describe in plain English when and how our agent should use custom actions to interact with Workday. It's as simple as that. Next, choose your preferred large language model to power your agent. And finally, in the Actions section, find and add your imported custom action package, Workday Actions. Enter your Workday API token for authentication. This token enables secure access to your Workday system. Sema4.ai provides built-in secrets management to protect these sensitive credentials, ensuring your actions can securely connect to and work with enterprise apps while keeping sensitive information safe. We're now ready to deploy and test our agent. Let's try some examples. First, let's see how our agent handles an invalid worker ID. You can see that the custom action has been invoked and it returns an error. Notice how our agent informs about the invalid ID and asks for a correct one. Now, let's try with a valid ID. The custom action is invoked again, and our agent presents the returned information in a clean, structured format. Congratulations! You've successfully built and deployed a leave management agent in Sema4.ai Studio that uses custom actions to interact with Workday. This demonstrates how you can create agents that integrate with your enterprise systems. Developers build the custom connections you need, while you as a business user can easily incorporate them into powerful AI agents without any coding required. Whether you're connecting to SharePoint, SAP, or your own enterprise-specific applications, custom actions give you the flexibility to build agents that perfectly match your business needs. Happy building!